Welcome to Savage Tech Australia. Thanks for joining us on Sunday afternoon. We're down here at Wellington Point in Queensland. Beautiful afternoon. We're down here at the boat ramp. We aren't towing any boats because we haven't got a tow bar, thanks to GWM, don't have any yet. We're here with Rico's factory stock base model. Stock has nothing done to it, but right now we have the 55mm shackle lift kit in. Look at this thing. Mate, we've got 55mm raised front and rear. Looks pretty tough. We'll come around the back and have a look at this. I'm sure you'll get an idea of the difference between them. There's a big height difference. Rico, the cameraman, will pan around and show you the height. You can clearly see right here, big difference in height. 55mm, looks pretty tough. Works with the stock suspension. We do have nitrogen kits, and we've also got the oil dampers. Just depends on what your budget is, whether you just want to go a shackle and a spacer at the front, or you want the full-blown nitrogen, external reservoirs, everything. They're currently coming into the country. The shackles, we've had a few in stock, but we've nearly sold out. So if you want a set, get on the website, savagetech.com.au. But yeah, as you can see, it looks pretty tough. We've also blacked out the bar. We've got this powder coated, looks pretty smick. Look at it, 55mm, mate. Look at that. This is on 33-inch tyres. We are having way less issues with clearance now that we've put this on. Previously, we were having a little bit of scrubbing issues. Come over now, we'll take a look underneath and see how the shackles actually mount underneath. Come under here, Rico. Have a look. Let's go. All right, so got shackle mounted there. That's how you get your extension. They're actually a comfort shackle. It does make the ride a little bit smoother. It gets rid of the bumps and imperfections. And yeah, it helps with the ride quality. So that's the back. We'll go over around to the front and have a look. So we'll come around here. You can see, got the spacer in between. You pretty much mount the spacer onto the top of the strut, then that goes onto the top of the strut tower there, so in between them, and it gives it 25mm, which equates to about 55mm raised in total. We also do camber arms. I haven't fitted it to mine yet, but I am going to do it. That helps correct the camber, and they are a lot more solid. So would highly recommend getting the camber arm if you are looking at doing a lift on any of your Cannons. All right, but that's pretty much it for today. Thought I'd just show you the new kit we've got in stock. But if you want to get one, head to the website. You can also pre-order the nitrogen kit. We've got that. I'll have that fitted on my car next week. And anything you need, give me a call, message me. Rico, we're both quite active on the chat on the website. And yeah, just head over to our website, and anything you want to have a chat about the Cannons, know about them. As I said previously, we've also got the roller shutters, got everything, mate. You go to our website. We're in Australia, so anything that we supply you, we will offer you a warranty. So yes, you can buy it off AliExpress, Alibaba, wherever you want, but with us, we'll offer you warranty, and we'll also offer you customer service. So no dramas. There you go. Thanks for joining us today. Peace out.